Yep, welcome to Montana. Taking a look at Great Falls right now. A lot of that snow melting, and prior to this little warm up here today, boy, we had a lot of wind blowing around that snow on Friday night and Saturday. 42 right now in Great Falls. Enjoy that light wind out there because the wind does come back here tomorrow. 40 degrees in Helena with a light west wind, 3 miles per hour, just about calm out there. Little cooler air the farther north you go in the state here. There's warmer air coming up from the south, and as that warm air runs over the top of that colder air, we're starting to see a little precipitation across the north central part of the state. Wind, again, what a relief after all of that wicked wind over the course of the weekend here. There's some of that precipitation again out here north central Montana, where we've got green, that would be rain. Where you've got the white, that would be snow, and the pink here is where there is some ice, some freezing rain, maybe a little sleet, and it does not take a lot of freezing rain, a lot of precipitation here to kind of coat the ground in just a little ice. So mainly the high line is where we will have some tricky travel, and right up along the Rocky Mountain front right there. But most of this should stay to the north of Great Falls, around Choteau, maybe a few drops mixing in with some flakes here. Conrad, places like Chester and Inverness and Big Sandy, Shelby could have some freezing rain here tonight, as again the warmer air is trying to push its way up here throughout most of Montana. There's the warm front, and it's just pushing through the Helena area. No, the temperatures aren't going to skyrocket up just yet, but we will see some warmer air coming in for tomorrow with highs in the 50s, maybe even 60 degrees. Across the country, very quiet. It's just a couple of mixed rain and snow showers from the Great Lakes through the northeast. So this big storm, it is a powerful storm. Most of the energy and moisture will stay off here of the Pacific Northwest coast and move up into British Columbia. So for tomorrow, Montana pops into the warm sector. We'll have partly cloudy skies. The breeze will come back here, a little stronger tomorrow than today, but it should be a pretty warm day for November with, again, highs in the 50s and the 60s. Now, a weak front will come through on Wednesday with a couple of rain showers in the lower elevations. Most locations will be dry. There will be a few mountain snow showers as well. Thursday, slightly cooler air, a couple of snow showers, especially in the mountains down the Continental Divide and around Helena. But heading into Friday, looking very quiet. How about a quiet weekend for a change? Saturday, looking partly cloudy, maybe a mountain snow shower, and more quiet weather continues for Sunday. Enjoy it, because the following weekend, of course, is Thanksgiving, and yeah, we may have some busier weather by about that point. So the snow confined to the mountains here along and west of the Continental Divide. So you could give those snow shovels, snow plow, snow blower a little rest here over the next several days. Tonight, a little mix of that rain and snow and ice. Browning, East Glacier, Cut Bank, Conrad, out through Chester, even Fort Benton might have just a little in the way of some raindrops or some freezing drizzle around Loma and Big Sandy as well. Havre could be just a little icy tonight into tomorrow morning. Dry northeast Montana above the freezing point in the warm air around the Lewistown area, and even Helena, lows tonight in the upper 20s and the lower 30s. Here's the forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday. Look at this, warmth 50s and 60s. Great Falls almost 60 degrees. A couple of mixed rain and snow showers in the higher terrain in northwest Montana, and it will be windy, but overall a pretty warm day here for the middle of November. Wednesday, here comes this weak front. Couple of rain showers possible in the afternoon around Helena. Highs still above average in the 40s and the 50s. Into Thursday, there may be a couple of snow showers, especially in the mountains around Helena. Some snow showers down there around Bozeman. A little cooler and windy, but temperature still in the 40s. It's nothing compared to what we've dealt with already this season. And then Friday, TGIF, looking at mostly sunny skies and highs close to average in the 40s. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. This is a fairly quiet, one of the quietest 7-day forecasts I've put together here for the last several weeks. 55 for the high tomorrow, 53, a stray sprinkle or two on Wednesday, a few flakes of snow Wednesday night into Thursday. Accumulation should be very light, and then very quiet weather for Friday through the weekend, highs in the low 40s. Great Falls, look at that warmth the next few days. The wind is back though, and will cool down into the 40s for highs this weekend.